Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve content curation with Feedly, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Feedly, visit the website and create an account. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left sidebar, you will find options for creating collections. Click on the Add Content button to start curating your sources. You can search for specific topics or publications using the search bar. After finding relevant sources, click the plus icon to add them to your Feedly. Organize your saved sources into collections for easier access. Consider categorizing your collections by topics, industries, or interests. Next, explore the trending section to discover popular content in your areas of interest. Feedly also offers a follow feature for individual articles or blogs you enjoy. Once you have gathered your sources, create a reading schedule for consistency. Use the Feedly mobile app to access your curated content on the go. Take advantage of the tagging feature to easily categorize articles. With Feedly's Note feature, you can jot down insights or ideas while reading. Share curated content directly from Feedly to your social media platforms. Engage with the content by adding comments or participating in discussions. Regularly revisit your collections to update or remove outdated sources. Stay informed by setting up notifications for high-priority topics. Utilize the premium features for advanced content curation if needed. Keep track of your favorite articles and revisit them for reference. Finally, use Feedly Insights to analyze what types of content engage your audience. By following these steps, you can enhance your content curation process effectively with Feedly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.